So this next recipe is a classic Sichuanese street food. You have all of the flavor profiles of Sichuanese cuisine. So like you have some of the changking vinegar that provides the sourness and a little bit of sweetness. You have soy sauce, you have garlic, you have peanuts, you have cilantro, you have chili oil as well. That is just uber fragrant. This noodle dish is rich, but it is so good. So I hope you guys all enjoy. So for the sauce, we are using a technique of heating up hot oil and then putting it over a bunch of spices. So I have some chili powder, some garlic, some sesame seeds. Recipe is all going to be down below. We have some fresh chilies as well as some scallions. And I'm just heating up about 3 tablespoons of oil over medium to high heat until it just starts smoking. And be very careful with this part. So what you're not smelling is how fragrant everything is. Once it has had a chance to cool down, I'm going to add in some sugar, a pinch of salt. I have some soy sauce as well as some changking vinegar, which is kind of like a sweet but sour vinegar. And these are the combinations of Sichuanese street food. And to make it more of a broth, because what we have is a very concentrated mixture, I'm adding in 1 cup of water and just mixing everything together. So the noodle of choice for these hot and sour noodles is usually a thick sweet potato noodle. And it is similar to rice noodles, but it has a better crunch. It has a nicer mouthfeel to it, very kind of al dente-esque. So have that prepared and we can mix everything together. So, typical of Sichuanese street food is going to be a ton of toppings. So, I have some roasted peanuts. This is something called jia cai, and it is a Chinese pickled mustard that is loaded with flavor. People put it on rice, people put it on noodles. It's so yummy, as well as some Chinese greens. So this amount feeds about 2 to 3 people, and you should probably separate them into separate bowls. But I really liked the look of that enamel bowl so much, so we're gonna put it in there. So there you have it. You have your sour, you have your spicy. I mean, there's so much more to this dish. And one thing that I didn't say is if you can handle more spice than I can, of course, feel free to add more chili powder, more fresh chilies, and adjust this base recipe to your taste. I really like the combination of sweet and spicy, and it is just, it is so good. Now, as usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, Remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will be with you guys all again real soon. Bye.